So let's talk about monitoring our jobs a little more. You saw it quickly in the previous example. But if I type qstat on the command line, you're going to see all the jobs that are in the current queue on the machine that you're located. So in this case, Polaris, you get the job ID, the job name, which we can submit, we can set via the command line in qsub. Otherwise, it tends to take the application name or the script that was submitted, hence the fact that you'll see a lot of submit.sh on here. And then the user who submitted the job, the time they've used, the state, and the queue they submitted to. So these are all the queues. And then these are the states. The states are single letters, things like H is held. Q means that it's queued, so it's waiting to run. R is running. You might see an E if it ended. Okay, so if you look at the man page for qstat, it can give you those stat information. There's a lot of command or a lot of parameters you can pass to qstat. One that I like is -A, which gives you a little more information about the jobs. It gives you the number of nodes that were assigned and how much wall clock the person requested. Sometimes this is helpful if you're trying to understand when your debug job might start, because you can, you could do something like this and then grep for debug and see who's on the debug queue, when might my job begin, because there are only so many debug nodes available. I think it's currently 8, but that changes over time based on our needs. And so it allows you to screen here and see, okay, this person has one job, or these are all one node debug jobs for short amount of time. So my job should go very quickly. So the other thing you can use is qstat-u and enter your username. In my case, Parton, which is empty because I haven't submitted any jobs. But I can quickly qsub the hello world example again. Oh, I need my project name again, data science. And now if I do qstat for myself, you can see my job is there. The job name is the name of my script. And you can see the number of nodes, the current state. It immediately went into the running state, and now it's probably done, which we can see down in the logs directory. It has finished with probably the same output. So qstat's really handy for keeping track of your jobs. It's handy for trying to get an idea of how many jobs of a certain kind or in a certain queue that there are, so that you can get an idea of when they might start. And so that